In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background of an Excel chart. A well-chosen background can make your data easier to read, help it stand out on a slide, and align it with your brand or document theme. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get it done in seconds. Start by opening the workbook that contains your chart, and make sure the entire chart is visible. Move your mouse over the empty space inside the chart, not on a bar, line, or data marker. Right-click that empty chart area. If you don't see the options you expect, first click once on the chart to select it, then right-click again. You'll know you have the whole chart selected when the selection handles surround the outer border, not just the plot area where the data sits. Selecting the chart area ensures you're changing the background for the entire chart, including the space around the plot. After you right-click, look for the option related to fill. Depending on your Excel layout, this may appear directly in a small menu, or it may open the Format Chart Area pane on the right side of your screen. In that pane, find the paint bucket icon, which represents fill. Click it to reveal the fill settings for the chart's background. Keeping your focus in this fill section ensures you're editing only the background and not other formatting like lines, effects, or text. Now choose a color for the background. You can pick from your theme colors to keep things consistent with the rest of your workbook, or use standard colors for a specific look. Aim for enough contrast between the background and your chart elements so that labels, grid lines, and data series remain clear. Neutral, light tones usually work well for reports and printing, while deeper colors can be effective for slides if your data uses bright, contrasting series colors. If you ever change your document theme later, theme-based colors will update automatically to stay in sync, which is handy for maintaining a cohesive style. Take a moment to review the result. If the background draws too much attention, choose a lighter shade. If the chart still feels flat, try a slightly richer tone that complements your data colors. When you're happy with the look, click away from the chart to see it in context with your worksheet or presentation layout. That's all there is to it. Right-click the chart, open the fill options, and choose a color. With just a few clicks, you've given your chart a polished, readable background tailored to your needs.